Afa, ife na-akpọ ife afa, is a science that gives us the kilobyte and megabyte we use, the processor speed of computer, the empirical analysis that gives you the algorithm of the computer system. And I will reveal it.
Very, very, very big thank you to both of you. Well, another great topic that I would want your knowledge about for the benefits of my same viewers. The word Afa, Is Afa, divination. Is it real? Does it work as it is being, as it being projected? Do we get answers from Is Afa?
Afa, the Igbo language is rooted in etymology. From our words alone, the answers have come. Listen to this. Kaije na afa, ka okpo ya afa. Kaije na afa, ka okpo ya afa. Which means going to do afa. Ka okpo ga afa ife na emegin na emegi. Diagnosis. So what is Afa? Afa is deeper than science. Afa, but for the sake of language, I will use the word spiritual science and divination to denote the word Afa. Afa is one of the excerpts of Abiankata, the Nagu, in the Igbo spiritual system. Agwu eji agba afa, ekwensu bụ eze afa. Eze agwu. Now, under the Nagu, the trilogy of Nagu, we have Agwu Mmiri, Maazi Dibia, then Abiankata. Abiankata controls Afa. Afa, ife na-akpọ ife afa, is a science that gives us the kilobyte and megabyte we use, the processor speed of computer, the empirical analysis that gives you the algorithm of the computer system. And I will reveal it. The Afa, the Yoruba call it Efa. It contains eight beads. 4 beads in one straight line, another 4 beads in one straight line. That is the Afa Ugli or Abudaga. Because we have several types of Afa. And well, Afa na wa Afa Mmiri, Afa Ayolo. About 20 different kinds of Afa. Non ke na water. But the most revered and that which is more scientific is the Afa Ugli or Abudaga, the one that comes with 16 bead. This 16 bead is intertwined in four chain linked. Okay? It is working under the principle of a maths called permutation and combination. It's also working on the principle of binary of 1 and 0. It's also working on exponential factorial.
Go ahead.
Now, when you, in the Bible, it was called Urim and Tumim. Bible says, Jehovah, onye na-esi na Urim na Tumim na-agwa yo. It is the Urim and Tumim that the high priest must use to confirm what to do. Proverbs 16:33. And thou shalt cast lot. Afa is, why I use the Bible is for, I know 90% of our viewers are Christians. So I'm giving them a hint in their Bible. Kahama na pastor hana atolo hase. Kedi hi na ejele igba afa. Kanje gba afa, kan we kpolu ma afa, ife na emem. Ko pinpoint all my problem. So kedo ka afa si alu olu. If you notice, 16 times 16 is 256. So when you pour Afa and you combine the possibility of outcome, probability of outcome, into 16 times of that Afa, it will give you 256. In mathematics, when I tell you factorial and I say 3 factorial, it means 3 times 2 times 1. If I tell you 5 factorial, it means you go from 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So let's say 10 factorial. We mean about 10 times 9 times 8
Thanks.
So when alpha bụ 256 factorial. 256 times 255 times 254. Here can you make the times 1, which means the probability of alpha to be erroneous is impossible. That's why the first megabyte ewepụtara is playing under the Oduifa. Alpha anyị na-agba agba. 8 times 2, 8 bid. Ya dị n'ofu. 4 bid into 2. Urim. 4 bid into 2. Tumin. Ewo ya. Odumeji. That's what the Yoruba call it. Now, if you are doing alpha, ị ga-abụ an initiate of the Agwa Abiankata. Afa bronco ya be for Maazi ekpuru na na-agba afa. Afa is a school and they maroma say ya ada afa. So Afa is a deeper science of diagnosis, our ancient ancestor. And Afa is intrinsic to every aspect of life. When you understand when you understand Afa to the extent you begin to give reference to the Akaku. Akaku is the level of Ndichie. Fana Chineke na anoko. Second Akaku. But when you get to the extent of understanding the hierarchy of Ndiche Anabo Ogeriatloba, these are the Ndiche that are the Holy of Holies. How can they can about 24 elders? They commune with Chuku direct. If they intercede on your behalf, Ogeriatloba are the blameless and the spotless Ndiche. Now, inside Afa, imagine when our ancestors were doing Afa thousands of years ago. They gave rise for the Alpha concept called Atolopete. Obana. This automobile we are using today. Alpha has included Atolopete. So there is no aspect of life in all paraphernalia that Alpha does not have. But now we are limited to the knowledge of Alpha, small knowledge of Alpha Kaima. Nema deeper Alpha nozi. Madonema deeper Alpha. Okay? But because we are not revering the Agwa Biankata, that we usurp our pineal gland to go deeper and resonate the agwo of Alpha. Philip Agwali nwere agwo Abiankata. That was why his algorithm in empirical mathematics gave us the fastest microprocessor. Okwenye Igbo ka ọ bụ. Check contributions in modern day mathematics for the excerpt of Africans and ndị Igbo nia. If not for Alpha, the concept of Alpha and Agwo, there will be no computer. It is the binary of 1 and 0, which was copied from Africa, that they used to make your computer, the phone, the calculator. That you are seeing me today is because Owusu Mensah from Ghana gave us fiber optics, which is an empirical mathematics combination of 1 and 0. Still the same Alpha. So Alpha encapsulates every aspect of life. When you call it divination, it serves a minute function. I hate to call Alpha divination. When Alpha serves as divination, Mpa. When Alpha serves as Mpa, it's only giving you revelation of diagnosis. If an Alpha. But Alpha is not limited to divination. Alpha is unlimited. Alpha is life. Alpha is not limited to invention. Everything if I metata is a product of Alpha. Alulu Alpha. Bending moments, Tata glass principle, functional analysis, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, all are intertwined in Alpha. But Makanisi battery na why Deuteronomy 18 told us thou must not practice divination. Astrology is a product of Alpha. Ago Mili, the one that controls weather, astrology, meteorology. These things are Alpha. But the truth is, they've made Alpha divination. Alpha is not just divination. Science and technology, the name Alpha.
I mean a divination. A definition can limit,
Yes.
the Africa from to certain more.
Yes,
the take one Proverbs 16 like Kakutif priest ko bala and Alpha. Look when Deuteronomy 18 asiga Alpha, confusing you as an African man. Why them? They took that principle of Alpha land from black man to Bodo science and technology.
Exactly. na Harvard University na go Alpha keta.
Yes,
if you go to Harvard University, Alpha has to get up. No, the Yorubas have done so well. I'm still saying it. I'm an Igbo man. They are my brothers. That would be a history I'll teach another day. The Yoruba have done so well to protect African spirituality. Oduifa is a course you will study in Harvard today. Trade it to the universe, to the Yorubas. So we, the Igbos, should go and clutch some of our big intellectuals like Anne Nechukwume, Professor Emeritus.
And people like Professor Chidi Oshuawu.
Exactly. Now, the likes of Maazi Dibia.
I must thank both of you for availing me the opportunity to have you on this platform, the Namen TV. I would want this particular interaction to continue, but because of time and the megabytes of our
Camera.
recording device, I would want it to stop here. But I traveled the 7 seas and the 7 forests to find you.
Thank you.
We had an appointment at Newi. I couldn't get your interview. I followed you down to Onitsha. I couldn't get your interview there. I followed you down to Oka, now Enugu, just to have you seated here. So why I'm saying this is for my viewers to know that it has not been easy to have you on this platform.